Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently having problems that you keep getting the error has occurred on Facebook and you want to be able to fix that? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem a lot before, and this is actually how I was able to fix it. So firstly, I actually closed my Facebook app and instead I went into my settings app on my phone. So I went into my settings app instead, and in here, I just scrolled down and I clicked where it says general, as you can see. So I clicked on general, and then I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage in here. And then I just waited for this page to completely load. It took me like a couple of seconds for this page to load. And then what I did was that I clicked on the search symbol in the top right corner. So I clicked on the search symbol. In here, I just searched for Facebook and I clicked on the Facebook app, and then I clicked on upload app, and once again I clicked on upload app in here. And then I just waited a couple of seconds for this page to actually completely load, and I clicked on the blue button here again, as you can see. So now what you're going to do, you're going to wait for your Facebook app to completely update to the latest version. So by doing this step-by-step guide that I just showed you, you will actually make sure that your Facebook app is going to be updated to the absolute latest version. So I did this myself, and then I went back into my Facebook app, and now I didn't get any of those errors whatsoever. I haven't received any, I think, in like 2 or 3 weeks now. So hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.